guys, Carlos here, back with another video. Right now I'm here with my little cousin Alyssa. I'm sitting on this right here. So anyway, today she's gonna be giving me like a weird hairstyle. She's not actually gonna cut my hair. I would never let her unless she, even if she has like a permit or whatever, even if she's the best in the world. Nope, never, can't trust her, can you? She'll probably cut my ear off on purpose. Probably, you know. Like, if she's mad at me, she probably would. Anyway, so let's get started. My hair's wet because we got it wet, so then it could be easier for her to comb it. So let's go. Oh, she's combing it back. Ow! Ow! Yeah. Ow, my head. So I've seen people have this, but not for me. You know, it's good. Okay,
it could become more worse.
Yeah, make it as worse as you can. If you're wondering why my nose is kinda red and why I'm looking like that, because I'm sick, so you know. Stop dropping things. And by the way, I'm not crying. There's water in my hair from the water on my hair. Ow! Oh yeah. Ooh.
Done.
What are you doing? Wait, let's do a challenge. No idea. Try to make as many like of these things as you can.
What?
What these things, like as many as you can.
But I don't have the rubber bands.
There's so many around the house. You're trying to look for one, please. Cause it's a good challenge, okay? Get views, you know. Probably nobody's gonna watch it, but I'm talking about mine because you're my assistant. Yeah, go over there and look for a rubber man. Yeah. We're gonna do a challenge because she gave me a good idea. We're gonna see how many of these things, whatever they're called, she can put on my head. Like, maybe, I think there could be like one here. So yeah. So it's all good. It's all good. All good. Hopefully that's not a natural song, because then copyright. Hopefully all good's not a natural song. Please, I'll be a song, please.
Ow! I can't find it. Ow.
What? Pop one in my face, I dare you. Ready? Wait, not yet. Ready?
No, because we're gonna get in trouble.
Okay. Pop it in my face. Just do it. Stand back a little, because I don't want to get burned.
Yeah, but we're gonna get in trouble.
I'll take the blame, you know. Just pop it in my face. You know, I want to see what's going to happen. What are you putting this? Not like you're cutting my hair. Okay, wait, not yet. Ready? Wait, I want to show it. Ready, set, go.
Oh, but it's gonna go on.
No, just do it. Just do it. Ready? Let's go. Ready? Come on. Lily, stop.
Okay, now I'm gonna go like that.
Not that close.
Like that.
A little bit. Okay, that's good. Ready? Let's go. What are you doing? I said do it to my face, not my body. Now hurry up. Oh. Oh.
Come on, we Oh my god.
Oh, my ears are ringing. Oh, it hit me like right here. I have a... Oh, it's red. Look, can you see it?
Oh, yeah. Sorry. But it's not my fault. You wanted to do it.
I guess. Oh my, look at all this confetti, I'm pretty sure this.
I'm scared it was gonna go all over.
Look. Oh my.
It's like clowns.
That's a good video idea, you know. Besides that, though, I think. Man, I'll take it off myself. It's all over my body. Someone inside. So, yeah. So, what do you want to say about that, Lily? Lily, get back in. What do you want to say?
That's what you deserve.
That's what you deserve.
Well,
Okay, stop.
exactly.
Well, kids, don't try this at home. You know what? If you want to, you can do it. I mean, it hurts.
Only outside instead of inside, because you might get in trouble and then your mom or parents.
Just, if you want to do it, okay? Just remember, it does hurt, and
do it outside.
it like hurt, it like burns, like stings, but then after a while, it just like goes away. You just have like that feeling. So yeah, so drop a big fat like, subscribe, and ready, both of us. Drop a big fat like, subscribe, share this if you want. Peace out, like a trout.